everyone, welcome to Auto Hcare. In today's video, we will be showing you the appointment scheduler in our Hcare system, which is mainly used for scheduling appointments. To do that, let us go to the appointment scheduler first. As you can see, this is the calendar view of the appointment scheduler. You can also change the view to list view simply by clicking on this button here. On the right side, we also have a small calendar which can be used to select and go to a specific date for booking an appointment accordingly. We also have daily, weekly and monthly views. We can also go to the next day and previous day by selecting on these respective arrows here. In here we also have few filters that are available to filter out the appointments as desired, for example departments, rooms, doctors, status and so on. Now in the calendar you can see there are some columns and rows. For the columns it indicates the doctor's names and the room names, and the rows indicates the appointment times or the working hours of the clinic. To book an appointment, click on a slot that corresponds to the required doctor and the required appointment time. For example, if I want to book an appointment with Dr. 3 at 2:30 p.m., click on this slot. After clicking, you can see that a new wizard has appeared on the screen. In this wizard, there is an option which is called is a registered patient. This option is used to indicate if the patient is old or new. By default in our system, this option will be always checked marked. For old patients, keep this option checked marked, and you can search the patient details simply by typing the patient name, patient phone number or patient file number or the patient ID. If it's a new patient, you have to uncheck this mark and go ahead with providing all the details. You can search the patient details by typing the patient name, press on space bar. A selection of existing patient name will be displayed on the screen. Choose the required patient and you will see that all the necessary information has been filled already. You can also mark the patient status from here. For example, if the patient is coming with an appointment or if it's a walk-in patient. After filling all the information, let us click on create. And you will see that an appointment has been created on the calendar. Now, I would like to talk about these colors that are represented on each of this appointment, what each colors indicates. So in our system, the status of the appointments are indicated by different colors. As you can see in this flow chart, each color has a different meaning, which refers to a specific status of the appointment. For example, the color pink states appointment is created. The color purple states the appointment is confirmed. And when we are closing the appointment, the color blue indicates that the appointment has been closed. We also have two other status, which is missed and cancelled. For the missed, the appointment color will be in orange, and for cancelled appointments, it will be in red. Moving back to the appointment scheduler, on the right side you can see that there is a filter called status. From here you can check which colors indicate which status, and you can filter the appointments according to the status as required. Since we have created the appointment already, we can also cancel, confirm or reschedule this appointment. To confirm, cancel or reschedule, select the appointment and right click on it, and from the state controller you can choose the options as needed. For example, if I want to confirm, I can select confirm and click update. And if I want to cancel, I can select cancel and click update as well. For rescheduling, we can select reschedule button and click on update. Then go to the new date and time of the appointment. Click on the desired slot, and you can see a warning for rescheduling will appear on the screen. Click OK. Then the appointment will be rescheduled for the newly selected date and time. We also have an option in our system to change the colors of these appointment status. To do that, we have to go to Hcare, Hcare configurations, and scheduler. Under scheduler, you can see appointment state color. Select appointment state color and you can see all the available status in our system. To change the color of a specific status, select the status and click on edit. Then you can choose your desired color from here and click on save. And accordingly, the status color of this status will be updated in the system. We also have an option to specify break hours in the system. For example, if you have break hours in your clinic starting from 12 p.m. in the afternoon until 3:30 p.m., you can do it from here just by clicking on create. Specify your break hours, which starts from 12 p.m. and ends at 2:30 p.m. We also have an option to hide the slots, these break hour slots, from the scheduler, or we can keep them visible in gray color. Click on save. Let us go back to our scheduler, and you can see that the break hour are highlighted in gray shade as we have indicated. If we want to hide the slots, we can check this checkbox, click on save. Then you can see that the specified break hours are now hidden from the scheduler as we have indicated. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and I will be seeing you in the next one.